Our future is built on a network of seamless connections. From clean energy to automated logistics, every part must work in perfect harmony. But when your network can't keep up, harmony turns into inefficiency. Small delays create big problems. It's time for a network foundation engineered for the future. Introducing the Belden Hirschmann BOBCAT. Built to perform in the harshest conditions, its rugged, certified design guarantees maximum uptime. With time-sensitive networking, your most critical data is guaranteed to arrive on time, every time. This is the intelligence behind Industry 4.0. High-port BOBCAT switches with up to 24 ports. High bandwidth, up to 2.5 gigabit speeds. TSN technology, for precise real-time data transmission. Maximum power, up to 240 W without load sharing. Advanced security. Build the resilient network your future depends on. Order your Belden Hirschmann BOBCAT solution from Softprom, the official Belden distributor.